Hello, welcome back to part 2. Today I'm going to create a new server, again, new virtual machine, or you can do quick create. Here I'm just going to start, I'm just going to drop it here for you so you can see it. Similar to the previous one, but today it will be when SRV 2008. So again, if you choose to store it same location, different location, it's your call. I'm going to use it generation 1, not generation 2, and dynamic memory with 1 gig, not connected. No, I'm going to use the internal connection because later on I will introduce that server and join it and make it a domain controller and then seize the FSMO rule and raise the functional level to 2008 before I decommission 2003. Next, do you have an existing one? If you recall earlier, we had an existing BHD for 2003. That's why I used the option number 2. But today, no, I have an ISO, so I'm going to leave it as it is. Save location, everything default. Again, it's for testing. Where's my ISO? Physical, no image, and this is 2016. So I'm just going to browse, and I think what did I put? That will be C drive. I'm just okay. Cancel that one, Adam. Go back. It is. I've put the files there. So let's browse, and here we go. And I think little one more outside, not a virtual disk, and Hyper-V, and let's see, and yeah, I thought I put it there. Let's research what it is, and I can see it's there, STD. So this is my 2008. And next, happy with everything. Server name, generation 1, 2, network card, disk, location. Yes, this is summary, and then finish it. That should create it for me. And after that create, we do again right click, or you can do from the lower taskbar and say start. And then as soon as it started, you can go to the, you know, where's the checkpoint and the status bar, and you can navigate there. But I'm just going to open the window console for us. It's easy to navigate here. It's quite big. So what I will do, I just minimize it so we can grab it here. Okay. Now let's have a look. What we got? US. I just need the UK one, maybe, if that makes difference. Language and keyboard. Yes. Next, and then install now. It's an R2. Hopefully that one should be faster than the part one, which is the 2003. That took a long time to install. To set up the settings. Now, what do I need to install here? Full or core or enterprise, or what do you want? Pick and choose. So I'm gonna go for the enterprise just in case I need it. Yeah. Again, this is only for like test environment, so we'll see what happens. And accept license. Next, and it won't be upgrade, it will be fresh installation. So we'll go custom. You go to disk. Here we can change whatever you want to do. Create format, load the driver. So create a new one. I'm just going to go for the default settings. And next here, and this is C drive. And here where I'm going to install my server 2008, and then we'll promote it later on. So copying the file, do the installation. I'm just going to pause it now and come back to you when it's ready. Yeah.